The ToughLift by Hi-Force is a versatile jacking system used during the repair and maintenance of heavy haulers or locomotives. The ToughLift jacking system has a fully enclosed pump compartment which allows for easy maintenance access and protection of components. Each ToughLift is equipped with a high-speed, 3-stage, 8-piston pumping unit. Optional pressure gauges are available to monitor how much weight has been lifted. Storing and lifting the ToughLift is quite simple. The retractable handle allows the jack to have a small storage footprint, and lifting lugs allows for simple lifting for loading and unloading. Used in tandem, the ToughLift jacking system can lift the rear end of a heavy hauler with ease. Prior to positioning the ToughLift, ensure that the transit pins have been removed. Position the jacking system into desired position. Connect the air hose to inlet connection on the jack. Each ToughLift requires a minimum of 91 psi of air. Using the control pendant, advance the cylinder until it is fully extended. Once the ToughLift is fully extended, it can be used as a stand by sliding in the load block into position. At this point, it is safe to perform the desired maintenance. When maintenance is complete, remove the load blocks, retract the cylinder using the control pendant. Disconnect your air supply and move the ToughLift from under the equipment.